Do you notice this window? This window is some 250 feet away from where I'm shooting. And this could only happen through my DIY telescope with Barlow lens. An amazing innovation on low-cost astronomy. We finished mounting this telescope on a stand today. Then I thought, why don't I post a picture for you all to see the power of little science. I keep inventing stories in many different forms, and this is one of the amazing story I wanted to post so badly in my YouTube channel. So wait for more surprises in the days to come. Bye bye.